Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check delivery time on Blinkit. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for Blinkit and click on the first link right over here. Select your delivery address, go ahead and make sure you're logged in, and now all you need to do is just add your things to cart. So for example, let's say I want let's just say I want some dairy breads and eggs, right? So I'm just gonna simply go ahead and select some milk. So let me just go ahead and select some milk. Let me also go ahead and select some muesli. Some protein muesli would be good. So right over here, and then let's say I want some eggs as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take 6 pieces, 2 of those, right? And now if I go to my cart, as you can see, it's gonna tell me how much time it's gonna get delivered on. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.